Rolling.
Rolling in my ocean.
Oh, God. Andre's here today.
Here we go.
Everybody knows, so. Chaos. What's
up? We went over our order from...
You know who?
MPD.
Which we figured would be better than Larry's, but apparently not.
Now it's my turn.
Sorry. You can have the pontiff.
Yes. So, we said we needed the motor mounts all for both sides, front and rear. Great, not a problem.
The steady assemblies, we needed the rebuild kits.
We didn't need the metal.
The braces, no.
Didn't need the metal.
No. And they only sent one side.
Half a kit.
Half a kit. Half a kit.
And it clearly states one across the board, one on everything.
There's half a kit. Half a fucking
So,
kit.
we're already down time.
Yeah.
So, we can't charge the customer this because it's not right. We don't do that. So, I went over all of this and went, okay, Bobby, where's the... Well, it's on... No, it's not. So, we both triple checked, and if anybody knows how to read, those are all ones checked off.
And nothing is back ordered.
Nothing.
But we have half a kit.
So,
for the steadies.
Scotty decided to save these from another
job that we didn't need.
Yep. Because the bushings
bushing.
are super hard to find now. I don't know why. And
COVID.
That's the fucking excuse.
That's the excuse is COVID. Fuck COVID. It's bullshit. It's called people are too goddamn lazy to do their fucking job they're paid for.
Jesus, watch your fucking mouth.
I know, right? I can't. Well, I can't. This big old huge fucking honker's in the way.
I'm a fucking grumpy bitch today.
I know, right?
Sky everybody, PSA, Sky needs to get laid.
Yes, that too.
If somebody would like to satisfy Scotty's needs, this is a public service announcement. He'd make us less nutty, right, Andre?
No, the idea is to...
Or he'd make somebody nutty. Anyway, moving on. Okay, what were we talking about?
Hey, he said it first, not me.
Talk about getting jizzy with it.
Oh, Jesus. It's downhill.
So, the rubbers are the exact same size. It's exactly what we need. It's like, what the fuck? I'm glad I saved them. But the bolts will always come in handy with the sleeves, so not a big deal. So, said side mounts will be taken care of in just a moment. I'll get that.
The steadies.
Yeah.
And the front mount. We have all the stuff for that. And we have the bolt kit even for the front mount.
We don't
and the
need
rear
to
support.
make the engine pretty.
Oh, wow.
Thank God.
Only because it doesn't need to be made pretty. It's, I'm sure down the road, this is just going to be a driver car.
Oh, thank God we have a Prop 65 warning.
Oh, I know. Yeah. You got to have Prop 65 warning in California because absolutely everything causes cancer, including the air.
Breathing causes cancer.
Yeah, guess what? Fuck that.
Anyway. So Scotty's going to get on this. We have bushings and all the shit we need. We'll do a little cleanup on the hardware that we need if it didn't come with it. Tomorrow, I want to bleed the brakes on this.
Yeah.
And let's finish up the trans. I'd like to drive this thing. If not Wednesday, maybe Monday or Tuesday next week. So he can pick this up and have a Thanksgiving miracle. Let's go. Let's say we're going to go for the Thanksgiving miracle. How does that sound, Scotty?
That sounds good.
Because you're leaving right day after Thanksgiving.
Yeah, I'm leaving
Both
the day
you
after.
clowns are.
Yep. 2 weeks back to Georgia.
We're driving the Avanti back so I can put it in my old paint and collision shop and start the paint and body work on it. And then have our upholstery guy in Georgia, who's phenomenal and a lot cheaper, do the reupholstering on it.
And better.
True.
And then we're coming...
make a killing.
He's ready to retire.
Yeah, I mean, he's...
Well, he should retire here and do it on the side.
Yeah.
I'll feed him beer, whatever he wants.
And
We'll
we're
order
coming
pizza.
back with... My Jaguar!
Your Jag finally gets to come here. You get to be with your car again.
And my 89 Pontiac Grand Am.
And what is it you found that you might make a side quest on?
Another Pontiac. A 1985 Pontiac J2000 Sunbird hatchback.
Sinbird.
Turbo 1.8 liter manual.
Ooh, baby.
Yeah, hen's teeth.
Very rare.
Hen's teeth.
Rarest thing.
Please be careful getting up. You are almost...
Don't crack your head.
I don't want to damage the bird.
Yeah, I know, right?
Oh, Jesus. All right, so Scotty's on this.
Yep.
He's going to get busy.
I'm gonna bust a nut.
Oh, do it. I want to watch, Daddy. Woo! You need to hold top. You're spinning. You're a spinner.
Ooh, saucy.
Oh, Jesus. And with that, I'm just gonna cut because we went out of control.